the one thing that you can call up with this, but you can't call up with this?
God.
Would you believe that? By the way, everyone knows the answer. Even I know the answer. But do you believe that? Is that possible? Well, how would you know it's not possible? How would you know it isn't possible? Only if you know what God sounds like. So you say, no, I haven't heard it. If you don't know, how do you know you don't? Because there's no other reason. There's nothing for it. I can get $55, I can get you a book with all the vowels in it, so you can read it. I can translate to any language you want. I can get you commentary, $55. And this is going to cost you $50,000? I thought Jews were smart. And if I want to put it on rolled up paper, and I can have someone write it by hand, I can go to Zimbabwe. Get it for $75. What's going on here? You spent $50,000 for this? I want to get you a book. No, because this is an instrument. Just like this. This is a magic instrument. It's really magic. Do you know how this works?
No.
Nobody knows how it works. Even those who make it don't know how it works. Yeah? Ask them. What? They'll tell you how to make it work, but how come it works like this? They don't know. They use it. Who knows what electricity is? Nobody knows. But thank God. It's good. So the same thing with this. I can tell you all about it, but it works. That's what it's meant to be. And when you take the Torah out, it's not called reading the Torah, it's called Priyas Torah, which means to call. And with this you call. And with this you call. It's called call. By the way, what's the word for doing magic? Thank you.
Open sesame. Alakazam! Please!
But by the way, I almost was going to faint because I've asked this for 26 years, the same question. What's the word for doing magic? And everyone always gives me the same answer.
God.
And it's always abracadabra. Whether it's a Jew or non-Jew, whether it's a young person, a college professor, a multi-billionaire, they all say the same answer. It's always abracadabra. So you almost messed up. You almost were the first one. If you just shot without first, I would have been on the floor. Okay. But what does abracadabra mean? It's gibberish, right? What? It's gibberish. No. What I would think when I ask you that word, unless it meant something in Hebrew, it's a Hebrew word.
It is?
Is it?
Huh?
Huh?
It is.
It is. And that's how you do magic. It's a Jewish tradition. So what's the word mean?
Magic.
No! Because magic is a trick. No, open sesame, Alakazam, bamboo, please. No, magic is real. So the word abracadabra is two Hebrew words. The first one is abra, which means I will make something out of nothing. Now that's real magic.
And then cadabra.
How would you make it out of nothing? Out of nothing! Not out of something in my pocket or something of molecules or atoms, out of nothing. How do you do it? That's the second part of the word. Are you ready?
Cadabra.
Kadabra. What's kadabra mean?
I don't know.
You all know the word. Isn't that there?
Oh,
Speak! What? By speaking, I'm making something out of nothing? Yeah. That's because you don't speak. What do?
You sing!
Whoa! When you speak, you really sing. What you do is actually you twitter like a bird. And most of you in class here, you twitter with each other. You're fooling around. You just twitter. If you say something that means something that's significant, then if you can't say it, you can't find it. If you can say it, you can find it. And you make it come. If you can't say freedom, it doesn't exist. If you can't say liberty, we talk about the Liberty Bell, right? It doesn't exist. Stucco doesn't exist. Honesty doesn't exist. Righteousness doesn't exist. All the most important words, this is the source. Do you have any questions? questions? So, and I don't write. So I would have to show you now what I do when I do write.